My name is Jeanne Lemière. I work as a certification and qualification engineer at ALTEN in France. I'm working with the certification design office for Airbus helicopters for dolphin fleets. So our role as a certification engineer is to make sure that during all the life of one helicopter or a whole helicopter fleet, the aircraft are safe for flights. I always wanted to make my career in aeronautics. So I have my private pilot license since 7 years now, and for me it's important to have aeronautics in my job and also in my personal life because it's really a passion for me. Here in ALTEN we are encouraged to work as a team to get a better results, to provide quality results to the customer. We are all the same, we are all getting to the same objective, so it's very important to work together. And another thing I like with ALTEN is that they want to put the young people at the front of the scene because we are getting more and more experienced, and that's what I like. They encourage you to make your career evolve and getting more and more responsibility earlier. For me, wanting to progress more and more every day on your work, making quality job is very important. So yeah, I think the motivating of the customer and the people I work with and for is making me getting a better person day to day.